Good morning. Welcome to the Thermomix Cooking Camp. I am Cookie Carrasco, and today let's start with warm up all together. So right now we're gonna use the front roll. So we're gonna start our bat first, maybe like 35 seconds in there. This is what I do every day when I get to the ballpark to get my body ready. So now from the back, so we move it to our loop. Just gonna cross our leg right here. Like 30 seconds to, or you can count 30, whatever you want to do. We just go right here. Just go to the other side. So this is something really easy and simple to do. One of my best friends told me to do this to get my body ready. He's listening to me right now. All right. So right now we're gonna go to our pantry. And this part you can do with both legs right here, or you can do just one. Whatever is easy for you. Except before, we just put 30. Right here. All right, go on the other side. So this one right here is really good for pretty much for the position player. They're always running a lot. So, and for us to the pitchers too. So we're going on this part right here, squat, front, right here. It's something simple to do. Then on the same part you get in a lot of stretch, get ready, warm me up. All right. The one that I do for a pitcher, this one right here on the side for my lap. I'm gonna go this side right here. So when we're done there, so with this front roll you can do a lot of stuff too. So we can do the mountain climb. Just gonna go right here. You just go right here. Maybe like 20 total, like 10, count 10. If you don't have a front roll, so you can do the shoulder step. It's gonna go right here. Gonna open your leg a little bit, widen the shoulders, and you kind of go right here. maybe like 10. So after that one, we can use this one right here. It's gonna go right here. Just gonna hold it right there. If you want to use this, gonna hold it right there. There's 2. Let's do 10. Then, if you don't have the foam roll, like explained before, you can just go right here. No, here. And then we go 10 times. So I maybe had like 5 minutes here, start swimming. It's really good. So after that, we can just kind of do squat. We can go 10. Make sure your knee doesn't pass your toes. Kind of goes here and just kind of go back. Sit a little bit. You can do this one like 10, 15 times. What do you want to do? Do one more. So after that one, we can do a split squat. It's gonna go right here. 10 each leg. Make sure you stay tight, your core tight. And this part right here, neutral. Just go down. Go next. So I think this is something simple to do if you don't have the equipment. Now, last one. We can go side right here. You can do between 6 or 8. Then we go on the other side. More. And that's it. This is something really simple. If you don't have this foam roll, you can do a lot of stuff too. And that's what I do to get me ready for the game. Thank you.